Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I am uploading videos on IIT JAM. So today we will discuss some questions on matrices. Those are asked in the previous years. If you like this type of videos, so please subscribe the channel, comment, share as much as possible. So today we will discuss some questions on matrices. First question is, it is asked in 2017 IIT JAM. Let alpha, beta, gamma be eigenvalues of a matrix. Then alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to this. So is equal to, you have to find it. Now alpha, beta, gamma are the eigenvalues of the matrix. So as you know how to find the eigenvalues, we will write the characteristic equation. So first of all, we will write the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is A minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. So we will write this as entries of A as 0 minus lambda, 0 minus lambda. So this will be minus lambda, and then 0, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda, 0 minus 2, 0, 1 minus lambda, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2 minus lambda. So this is the determinant which is equal to 0. So now we will expand this determinant. So we get minus lambda minus lambda determinant of minus lambda 1 0, 0 minus lambda 1, minus 2, 1, 2 minus lambda. So on expanding by R1 we will get this. Now just expand it again. So what you will get minus lambda. Then you have minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 1. Then you have minus 2, 1. 1 minus 0. So 1. So this is equal to 0. Now expand it. On expanding it, you will get minus lambda 2 lambda square minus lambda cube plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Or you will get lambda is equal to 0, and you have the equation lambda cube minus 2 lambda square minus lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now one of the root of this equation is lambda is equal to 0. Other roots that will be found by one root we will find by hit and trial method, and other root we will get the quadratic equation that can be solved easily. So you can see that 1 satisfies this equation. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 is one of the root corresponding to this equation. Lambda is equal to 0 is already one root, and we are getting one more root, lambda is equal to 1, by heat and trial method. Then we will apply the synthetic division to find the quadratic equation. So how to apply synthetic division? First of all, you will write the coefficient of lambda cube, which is 1, then minus 2, minus 1 and 2. So 1 is the root by heat and trial method. So what will we do? 1, it will be written as 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Multiply 1 with 1 and then add these two. Minus 2 plus 1, that will give you minus 1. Then 1 into minus 1, that will give you minus 1. Then add these two. This is equal to 0. This is add these two, then you will get minus 2. And then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Add these two, you will get 0. If you are getting 0 over here, only then whatever root we have selected is correct. So we are getting the quadratic equation lambda square minus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation, so you can solve it out. So on solving it, we will get the roots as minus 1 and 2. So lambda is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to 2. So we are getting 4 roots. Lambda is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to 2. So our alpha is 0, beta is 1, gamma is minus 1 and delta is 2. Now what we have to find? We have to find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. So this will be equal to 0 plus 1 and then plus 1 and then 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So this is the answer. So 6 is the correct answer. Now the next question is, find the largest eigenvalue of the matrix. This question is asked in IIT JEM 2016. Now we have to find the largest eigenvalue of the matrix. So how to find? What will we do? We will find the row sum. Row sum is, you can see that first sum of the element of the first row R1 is, this is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 16, which is equal to 21. And R2 similarly, R2 is again 21. R3 is 21. So all the three rows has the same sum. Then by the short trick method, the largest eigenvalue of the matrix will be 21. So 21 is the answer. Next you have, let M is equal to alpha 1 1, 1 beta 1, 1 1 gamma, alpha beta gamma is equal to 1, where alpha beta gamma belongs to R and X is an eigenvector. Then Mx is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions if trace of M is. So you can see that trace of M is alpha plus beta plus gamma. This means we have to find this sum alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now it is given that Mx is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. So first of all, we will find Mx. M is alpha 1 1, 1 beta 1, 1 1 gamma. And vector X is X, Y and Z. This is equal to 0. So what it becomes? Alpha into X, alpha X plus Y plus z is equal to 0. Now 1x plus beta y plus z is equal to 0. Then x plus y plus gamma z is equal to 0. Now this system mx is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. Then determinant of m, that will be 0. Determinant of m, that will be 0. So find out the determinant. So determinant will be alpha. Expand it with the help of R1. So this is beta gamma minus 1. Then you have 1. 1 is gamma minus 1. And then plus 1. You all know how to expand the determinant. So this is 1 minus beta. This is equal to 0. So what you are getting? Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha minus gamma plus 1 plus 1 minus beta is equal to 0. Here it will be plus. Just check it out. Here it will be plus. So this is minus. This will be minus. Now what you are getting? Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is equal to 0. Now product is given as 1. So alpha, beta, gamma, this is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. I think this is plus. Minus 1, gamma minus 1. Gamma minus 1 is plus. Okay, okay. This is 2. This is my mistake. Just check it out. Here 2 will be there. So, and then plus 2. Now, alpha, beta, gamma is 1. So, what it becomes? 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Right? Now, here, question number 4. A, B, C, D be distinct non-zero real numbers with A plus B is equal to C plus D. Then you have to find the eigenvalue of the matrix. So how to find the eigenvalue of the matrix? We know that we have to solve the characteristic equation. So first of all, we will solve the characteristic equation. So just write down the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation will be A minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. So which is given by A minus lambda B 1 C D minus lambda 1 1 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So just expand this. On expanding it, you will get the equation as lambda cube minus A plus D lambda square plus AD minus BC lambda minus A A plus B minus C minus D is equal to 0. Now you can see that now you can see that in the last part A plus B is minus C minus D. Now we are given A plus B is equal to C plus D. So this part it will become 0. So ultimately we are left with lambda cube minus a plus b lambda square plus ad minus bc lambda is equal to 0. Now you can see that when you check the result, then a plus b, which is the option B, it will satisfy this equation. A plus b will satisfy this equation. A plus b will satisfy, means you can this equation. So B is the answer. You can put A plus B as lambda and solve it out. On solving this, you will get 0 is equal to 0. This means B is the right answer. Now, T is the linear transformation from R cube to R cube, and Txyz, this is given by x plus y plus z plus x. For all xyz belongs to R cube, then you have to verify one of the options. This question is asked at IIT JEM in 2014. So as R cube is there, so bases of R cube are 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Now T of first of all, we will find transformation T 1 0 0 at the point 1 0 0. So just substitute x as 1, y as 0. So it becomes 1, then y plus z, 0 plus 0, and then 0 plus 1. So T is 0 1 0, put x as 0, y as 1, z as 0. We will get 1 1 0, and then for T is equal to 0 0 1, just substitute x y z as 0 0 1, we will get 0 1 1. Now we will write this in matrix form. So first vector that is written in the row wise, so r1 r2 and r3. Now this is the matrix. Now we have to find the rank of this matrix. So again we will apply Gauss elimination method to solve this matrix. First operation we have applied as R2 minus R1. So R2 minus R1 will give you 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and then writing the R3 as it is. Then we apply R3 minus R2. So R3 minus R2, it will give you 0 0 2. Now this matrix is in rational form, and 1 1 2, these are the pivots. So rank of M is 3. Now we know the theorem, rank of M plus nullity of M, this is equal to dimension of R cube. Rank of M we have already evaluated, it comes out to be 3. Nullity we have to find, and dimension of R3 is 3. So nullity is 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So rank is 3 and nullity is equal to 0. This is the right answer. Okay students, so today we have discussed some questions on matrices. In the next video, I will discuss some more questions. So if you like this video, just subscribe the channel, like and share. Thanks to all again.